We're in the lower part of the Old Quebec. A lot of historic buildings and restaurants and art galleries. There's an art gallery there. Old Quebec is a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the historic and cultural heart of Quebec City and the birthplace of French North America. Because Old Quebec is a designated federal historic site, Parks Canada pays for the preservation and presentation of the historic district. As a result, the buildings and stonework are amazingly well maintained. There's where I want to get to, the top of that hill. There's a lift here somewhere. Still in the lower section. Look at that building, the face of that building. Great artwork. There's a Chateau Frontenac on top. Beautiful square here. Notre Dame Cathedral. There's a lift there to take you up to the top, which I want to take. A lot easier than climbing stairs. Funiculaire. I heard it cost $5. I'm playing. Oh, they have a little show going on here. I'll put a link for this show at the end of the video.
Citoyens dans le monde, visiteurs et habitants de Québec, une spectacle commence ici. Tout de suite, dépêchez-vous. On entend à peu près 5000 personnes dans les rangs. The ladies and gentlemen, the boys and girls, and all of the beautiful people in between. We are starting a circus show, right here, right now. Everybody come watch. The show is about to begin.
I remember right, I've been here before. Down this way, there's a bunch of artists drawing on the street, and they do caricatures and so on. I'm going to go for a short walk around here and go back to the ship. A lot of restaurants. Beautiful bistro here. Interesting fact, over 4 million people visit Old Quebec City each year. Artisans. Shops. Holy Trinity Church, I guess. 1804 from 2024. Wow. Let's have a quick look inside. I love the old churches. The architectural detail is just amazing. There's those artists. These are beautiful. I'm walking along all the outer walls of the fort. So Laval University at one time was all part of the fort. I guess it must have been something else, if it was here at all. Looks like part of it might have been, I think this is all new over here. All the cannons. These are the ramparts. There's our ship there. Going down. There's some hotels on this side. Manoir de Ramparts.
Ah ben là, on en tire un au sol, on en tire un par-dessus, puis au pire, on peut mettre un métallique, on peut...
Made it to the bottom. And there's the ship. Not too far. Well, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I'd appreciate it if you click that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out in producing more of these videos. Thank you.